When we're cleaning sponges, it's very similar to cleaning rollers and to cleaning brushes. Rinse out all the paint and then use a little bit of soap to get it clean on the last final phases. I can also use the sponge while I'm cleaning it to clean the paint off my hands. So when I get it mostly clean, this hasn't been used a whole lot. I just dipped it in the paint, so it wasn't really used for about 20 minutes or an hour or a couple hours, so it's not as heavily infused. Go ahead and dip a little bit of soap into it. Get the soap, work it in. You can see there's still some orange coming out of there. So I did not rinse out all the paint just with water. The soap is what helps get the rest of that out. So lather it up and then rinse it off. You may have to do that 2 or 3 times depending on how dirty the sponge is.